Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for you, Scorpio. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga Scorpio natin, no? So, tignan natin current situation ninyo mga Scorpio. Love relationship ninyo, no, of course. And tignan natin self-care advice for you this week. And, of course, message and advice from the universe, no? But before that, no, available pa rin, no, made to order ang ating all-in-one prosperity candle natin, no? Ang link ay nandiyan sa ating description below, no? So, yeah. And for those na gustong mag-avail ng discount natin, no, message me sa Shopee, no, pag nag-purchase kayo ng 2 or more, no, bibigyan ko kayo ng discount, no, personal discount yun, no, mga goddesses ko, no. So yeah, and yeah, open na rin tayo po for personal reading, and ang details din is nandyan din sa ating description below, no. So kung nanonood kayo pala sa TikTok is punta kayo dito sa YouTube, no, mga goddesses ko, para maklik ninyo yung mga link dito sa ating description below, no. So yeah, tignan natin again, no, mga Scorpio natin. And again, no, yung mga benefits na makukuha ninyo sa ating all-in-one prosperity candle is again nandyan din sa ating description below, right, ng mga goddesses ko, no. So yeah, let's see, no, update sa inyo mga Scorpio, no, love situation ninyo, self-care advice and message advice from the universe, no. So yeah, tignan natin. So yeah, let's start the reading. Tignan natin na what's the overall energy sa relationship ninyo, no, ng person mo. Tingnan natin ano yung overall energy ng relationship ninyo, Scorpio. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Scorpio. Tingnan natin. For Scorpio. So you have this Fairy of the Highlands, no. It's time, what is this? It's time to be brave, no. So yeah, ang nakikita ko dito ng mga Scorpio natin, parang nga sinasabi rito, no, di ba, literally, no, it's time to be brave, no. Maybe for some of you, ang overall energy sa relationship na merong isa sa inyo, ng person ninyo, ang kailangan ng maging matapang sa sitwasyon. Maybe mag-stand up na or mag-speak up na, ano ba talaga yung nangyayari, no? Parang siguro sabihin natin na may napapanghinaan ng loob within the relationship, kung ano man ito, right, no? So yeah, that's the overall energy mga Scorpio natin, no? Parang something na parang kailangan, kung may kailangan bang pagdesisyonan, no, sa loob ng relationship ninyo, or may kailangan bang sabihin, magsalita, no, something like that, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko dyan sa overall energy, no, sa inyo ng within the relationship, no, mga Scorpio natin. So let's see, kuha pa tayo ng additional messages for you, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. So yeah, tingnan natin. Kuha pa tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, Scorpio. Tingnan natin. For Scorpio, no, may lumabas na death. So, baka may ending sa inyo dyan, no? Or may kailangan ng tapusin for some of you na relationship or kung ano man ito. So, yeah, let's see, no? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for Scorpio. So you have this, the Lovers, and then the Moon in reverse, no. So ang nakikita ko rito ng mga Scorpio natin, right, no, yeah, malinaw na merong couple dito, partnership, o yeah, love reading, of course, no? So, merong the lovers dito, no? So, 'di ba? Parang sabihin natin na masaya kayo eh, no? With this makikita mo may nagliliwanag kayo both eh, no? But then with the moon in reverse, no? Ang nakikita ko rito mga Scorpio natin is parang something is hidden, no? Uh, Something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin, no? Merong hidden or sabihin nating secrets, no, na in reverse na eh. So maybe for some of you na-reveal na itong secrets na ito, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. So kung ano man yan, no, na secrets na yan or hidden na na-reveal, no, something like that, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, there is secrets revealed, no, between the two of you, no, mga Scorpio natin, kung ano man yan, no. So, pwede rin sabihin nating the lovers, no, kung may third party man, no, pwedeng nalaman mo tong may other relationship, yung person mo, or ikaw, meron kang ibang karelasyon, no, something like that, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rin dito. And, yan, no? Meron din pumapasok na isa pero basta hindi ko muna siya parang I'm not sure pa kasi bigla lang siya pumasok. But then parang isa pa sa sige, isa pa sa nakikita ko rin dito Scorpio is siguro for some of you na if you are in a relationship nga, no, with the moon in reverse, no, nakikita ko rin dito maybe ay you are thinking of someone, no, for some of you, someone else, no, na outside the relationship, or pwede ring sabihin natin na may iniisip kang someone, no, something like that, no. I don't know kung may relationship ba. But then with the moon in reverse talaga, it's clear, mas malinaw yung parang merong hidden secrets, hidden thoughts, no, kung ano man ito, no, na parang tinatago, no, something like that. So, pwede rin, no, kaya siguro, merong mga hidden thoughts, no, pwede rin, kaya kailangan maging brave, no, kumbaga parang kailangan mo nang sabihin yun, kung ano man yun, no, something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin, right? No, so let's see what else. Nakuha pa tayo ng additional messages, no, for you Scorpio. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you. For Scorpio, tingnan natin. Itong isang gamitin natin. For Scorpio, please. 3 cards for you, Scorpio. Three cards for Scorpio. Natin. So you have this, wait lang So you have this, you can change your life. So meron dito, you can change your life, no? And then love yourself, no? So parang siguro sinasabi rito, be brave, no? Parang siguro nga may kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan, no, for some of you Scorpio, no, kasi may love yourself no, parang may kailangan ng pagdesisyonan talaga, parang may kailangan ng i-end, no, kaya din kanina si Death is lumabas, no, nagsha-shuffle tayo kanina, no. So what else? So synchronicities, no, synchronized signs alignment, no. For some of you, no, parang ang nakikita ko rin dito, no, Scorpio is you are being guided, no, by the divine, no, by the universe, no, something like that, no. And you are seeing synchronicities, no, signs like repeating numbers, no, angel numbers, mga messages, no. Parang yun yung nagiging guidance mo dito, no. Parang tinutulak ka dito na parang to speak up, no, something like that, and to have a decision, no. Kasi ang nakikita ko kapag once na nakapag-decision ka, no, it will be life-changing for you, no. And from that, no, you will learn also, no, to love yourself more, no, something like that. Or you need to love yourself, no, so you can make the decision here, no, something like that, no. So parang yun yung nakikita kong message dito, no, for some of you, no. So may kailangan talaga, parang kailangan mo nang mag-decide, no, kung ano man ito, right, no, for some of you, Scorpio. So let's see, kuha pa tayo ng additional card sa inyo, Scorpio. Tingnan pa natin. Additional messages for Scorpio, please. Kuha tayo ng, sabihin natin, 3 cards here, no, for you, Scorpio. Tingnan natin. Additional messages for Scorpio. Let's see. Tingnan natin. So you have this, what is this? Safety, no? Safety, comfort. Safety, comfort, no? So what else? Safety, nakikita nyo ba? Safety, comfort. So merong home foundation, no? Home foundation. And then divine, no? So nakakailam talaga si divine, right? No? So merong divine intervention, no? So time for reflection, no? So no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, with the safety, comfort, no, and the home foundation here, no, something to do with the home, no, or foundation, no. So maybe for some of you, ang nakikita ko dito, no, mga cancer natin is no, may kinalaman kung ikayo itong cancer, cancer, Scorpio pala, sorry, no. If you are this Scorpio na may family na kayo, married or committed na kayo, no, with the home here, no, may foundation na, no, so meaning is talagang may family na, may kids involved na, no. So with the safety, comfort here, ang nakikita ko kasi is this is your comfort zone, no, mga Scorpio natin, right? No? But then something happened, and that's what I feel, no? Something happened, of course, no, between you and your person, no, mga Scorpio natin. And with that, no, divine intervention, yung, kumbaga, si tower, no, nangiilam na, no, kumbaga, tower to sa taro natin, no? So si universe, no, pumasok na sa inyong relationship, no. So maybe there is really no happening, no, inside the relationship, kung ano man yan, right, no. Kasi parang yun nga, no, you need to decide na, no, you have to be I think is you have to get out of the comfort zone, which is the home, no. Kung ano man ito, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. So parang yun nga sinasabi sa iyo na parang you have to detach, no, from that person and love yourself more, no, something like that, no. Yun ang nakikita ko. And once you are on that kind of parang pagka nakapag-decide ka na, no, it will be a life-changing for you, no, parang ganun. But then with the safety, comfort here, no, nahihirapan kang mag-decide because you are, maybe you are, sabihin nating afraid to get out of your comfort zone. Kasi syempre parang ano eh, 'di ba? Parang you have to start a new, no? Parang bago, no? But then natatakot kang magsimula, no? Something like that, no? Because syempre, there is ano, no? Maraming dahilan niya, lalo na kasi kapag pagkapamilyado na rin talaga, 'di ba? Something like that, 'di ba, mga Scorpio natin, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? Medyo mahirap talagang mag-decide, no? But then, hindi naman yan kailangang madaliin, eh, no? Kung ano man tong pinagdadaanan ninyo sa relationship ninyo, no? Kailangan ng um, sapat na panahon para makapag-decide, no? Kung ano man yung dapat ipagdesisyon. Para din nakakapag-isip kayo ng malinaw, no? Kumbaga, kung ano man to, no, kailangan parang pag-iisipan mo ring mabuti, no, for some of you, no. Hindi yan agad-agad minamadali kasi minsan kapag sa pagmamadali natin, mas lalo tayong napapahamak, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Something like that, no. Yeah, no. So you need to have some time for that, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito kasi natatakot kayo na mag-decide because parang may mga sabihin natin, iniisip nyo kasi siguro kung yung may mga anak kayo, iniisip nyo paano yung mga anak nyo, di ba? Something like that, no? So, marami kayong kinukonsider, no? Sa paligid ninyo, no? That's why you are, di ba, struggling na mag-decide kung ano man ito, right? No? But mostly is nakikita ko is yun nga, no? Parang you need to end the relationship, no? Maybe for some of you, talagang may pinagdadaanan, no? Kung ano man yan, kayo lang din nakakaalam yan, of course, no? Something like that, no? Mga Scorpio natin, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, time for reflection. So, sinasabi nga rito, no? Kaya ito si Divine Intervention, yun yung sinasabi ko na hindi mo kailangan din magmadali. Although, nandyan na, no? Nandito na, for some of you, no? In this current situation, of course, is nangyayari na itong mga parang hindi nyo akalain, no, sa inyong relasyon, no. So kasi nga pinapakita na ni Divine yung katotohanan sa inyong relationship, di ba? Something like that. So sinasabi sa dito na time for reflection, no. Tignan mo yung tignan mo, kumbaga parang pwede rin sabihin nating timbangin mo yung good and bad memories ninyo together, no? Kung naging masaya ka ba talaga or you are just there sa relationship na yan because of the kids, because you are afraid, something like that, no? Kung for some of you, baka may trauma kayo, no? So kayo lang din nakakaalam sa relationship ninyo, no? Mga Scorpio natin, right? No? So let's see, tingnan natin what's your self-care advice, no? For you mga Scorpio natin, no? Kuha tayo ng one card here for you. Self-care advice for you this this week, no? Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng one card. So, ground yourself, no? Sinasabi sa iyo rito, no? So, para talaga magkaroon ka ng clear mind, no? Maybe time for reflection, eh. So, do some meditation, no? Para ma-relax mo, no? And with the rainbow here, makikita mo magkakaroon ka ng magandang sabihin natin na magkakaroon ka ng idea or kung ano man, no, parang makiklear kasi yung mind mo and makakalma mo yung sarili mo. Maybe for some of you, may depression din. Kung ano man kasi kasi love yourself, eh, no? Maybe for some of you, parang nawalan ka ng time para sa sarili mo dito, you know? Right? 'Di ba? So, ayun yung ko. Kasi pagka lumabas na yung term na love yourself, meaning, no? Yung kumbaga parang you are being left out, no? Something like that, na parang buong buhay mo is binigay mo sa relationship ninyo, sa person ninyo, no? At wala kang itinira sa sarili mo. So maybe if that's the case, no? So there is really something bad happening or something worse na na-reveal sa inyo na talagang nagbigay ng anxiety, depression, and you got hurt talaga, no? Something like that, Scorpio, no? So, ang kailangan mo talaga is to ground yourself, no? Do some prayers, no? Mag-pray kayo kay Lord, no? Para gabayan niya kayo, no? Seek guidance from the universe, of course, no? So, ground yourself, no? And 'di ba, maybe for some of you puro galit din, no, kaya may heart diyan, kumbaga kasi nagiging clouded kayo, no, and if you will start to love yourself, no, ibabalik mo yung pagmamahal mo, pero para sa sarili mo, then you will have this clear vision, clear decision, no, can mind, no, something like that, para makapag-decide, no. Sabi nga hindi naman yan minamadali, di ba? So, but then, maybe talaga lalo kang nag-i-struggle because ang daming pumapasok sa isip mo, no? So, maybe you have to clear your mind, no? And then, do some things na magtuloy-tuloy yung iyong, kasi kailangan mo munang mag-heal, no? Mag-focus ka muna sa sarili mo. Kahit hindi pa kayo nakikipag-iwalay sa person ninyo, no? If you will have these changes, no, nag-i-start ka ng baguhin yung sarili mo, no, then unti-unti mag-heal ka, no, at makakapag-decide ka na ng maayos. So, something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no. Yeah, kasi nga, clouded yung isip nyo, no, regarding the situation, no. Something like that, no. So, let's see what's the message advice sa'yo, ni universe, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. Let's see. Kuha tayo dito ng one card for you, Scorpio. Message advice for you ni universe, no, Scorpio. Tingnan natin. So, di ba, meron talaga dito, no? Meditate, healing, rest, no? So, prioritize self talaga. So, ayun talaga yung pinaka-the best mong gawin as of now, no, mga Scorpio, para magkaroon ka talaga ng clear mind, no? At least magkaroon ka ng peace of mind, no? Mahil mo yung sarili mo muna, no? Kasi kapag may galit tayo, no, hindi tayo nakakapag-desisyon ng ng maganda, 'di ba? Nagiging padalos-dalos yung nagiging desisyon natin, no? Something like that, no? So talagang sinasabi sa iyo talaga rito is to love yourself first, no? Yeah. Kasi nga kung may kids involved, no, for some of you, kaya nahihirapan kang magdesisyon. But then if you will have this self-reflection, no, tignan mo ano yung mas matimbang para sa iyo. But then you can do that, no, kapag clear na yung mind mo. So kailangan mo munang you need to rest, do some meditation, no, para 'di ba yung iyong pag-iisip is hindi magulo, no. Wag ka na mag-focus sa person mo kung may problema talaga kayo. Yan, nakikita ko may problema kayo ng person mo, no. So para makapag-desisyon ka ng tama, no, timbangin mo ano ba yung mas lamang, yung naging masaya ka or yung naging malungkot ka sa loob ng relationship, or totoo bang naging masaya ka sa relationship ninyo. 'Di ba? Ikaw lang din kasi makakasagot yan sa sarili mo, no, mga Scorpio natin, right? And kapag naintindihan mo na, no, naintindihan mo sa sarili mo na, ay, kung ano man, ay, naging masaya naman ako, maybe talagang may pagkukulang din ako, no, something like that, no. So mas makakapag-decide ka ng tama, 'di ba? no, nang naaayon sa sitwasyon ninyo. Or kung may isip mo talaga na hindi ka na pala talaga naging masaya from the start pa lang, so better to end. No? So ikaw talaga kasi rin yung magde-decide based on your experience within the relationship. 'Di ba? Something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. So yeah, that's it for you mga Scorpio, no. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Scorpio natin. So yeah, um, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Scorpio.